Here's the end of the road. Main road's not too bad affected, but our road's flooded right out the stop sign. Here's this, and that might be why. Well, no, that ain't our power. We ain't gotta fucking worry about it. This is about 2 or 3 feet deep. I ain't driving through it, that's for sure. I mean, there's flooding everywhere. Fixing to go find it where y'all can see. Down yonder, it's flooded pretty damn good. There's a retention pond down there, and it's flooded up and over and through Broward. North side got smacked. I don't even know why that down there is flooded, because that is not from the Trout River. That right there is just straight up piss poor management. Piss poor wastewater management by the city of Jacksonville.